Miata day today.
No exhaust.
Oh man. Today is an exhaust video. My poor old ears. So needless to say, the exhaust is already off, as you guys heard.
Sure is.
I don't even know, do we have any sound clips of like what your car used to sound like? I don't think so.
Not really.
There was something amiss here.
Sounded like
We don't
shit.
know what. Maybe it was because the cat is broken and didn't have any material. Actually, let me show you the cat.
Pretty sure there should be stuff in there. I'm no mechanic.
Imagine having something this big. Dude,
Accurate.
bro, your blood wouldn't faint.
MagnaFlow Street Series, something like that exhaust. It'll be in the description or in the title. I don't know. On any of the cars. Well, my Civic has Honda Flash Pro, but other than that.
I have my exhaust done too.
Yeah.
But, I mean, that was
Not bad. So much lighter than stock though.
now you're good.
Oh my god, so loud. One seat done, other seat not, but his seats are pretty good. Pretty good seats.
Same height?
Don't know if I ever told you guys, but we are not fucking mechanics. We bullshit everything we've ever done and ever will do. We're not even close to being mechanics, but we get shit done somehow. All of our cars are working. We do work on all of our cars. That's all you can ask for sometimes, you know? That's not right.
Good.
Yeah, good enough.
Shake test.
Go for it.
That ain't going nowhere.
All right. Like I said, not mechanics. We give it the old eyeball.
Not a tutorial.
Yeah, no. This is not a tutorial. This is, we're probably only ones making NA 92 Miata videos in 2023. That's what this is called. Oh, yeah, didn't show you this, but
From Goodwin.
because we were gonna reuse the stock cat, but look at it. Look at it. There's nothing. There's nothing in here. There is absolutely nothing in here. So yeah. So it's useless.
Hand me that gasket.
It's a catch-22 working on cars in the fucking winter. We live in Florida, so we don't get an actual winter, but it's not as hot as it usually is. But yeah, so we're finally not sweating. We've been working on all of our cars throughout the entirety of the summer. It's terrible. Florida summers suck. But now
Use the paper.
it's not hot. I'm not sweating, but it gets dark at 3 p.m. So yeah, it's great. Look at him properly wiping down his exhaust like a loser. Honestly, you should probably use the most flammable compound you can to wipe off the exhaust. That's flammable as humanly possible. Wipe it down with gasoline. That shit smells good.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? Griot's Speed Shine or Griot.
Brios.
Griot's Speed
It'll sponsor me, dude.
Tell me about it. We have too many cars.
Only the
We
best.
need sponsors.
Only the best. Brios.
ND, NB, NA. The Honda Fit needs a build series. The EP3 Civic needs a build. My FA5 8th gen needs a build. Come on, man.
Mine was 28, 30 pounds
Yeah.
on mine. I don't know what this one would be.
He's saying on his because on the ND has an axle back. Axle back on the ND.
Yo,
The
I'm
only
about to buy a
mod
new
on his
muffler,
stock
dude.
ND.
Look at this fucking, that shit's nice.
Yeah, I know. It looks way better than yours.
I mean, whoa.
I mean, I paid triple.
He did pay triple. I paid 330 mine. 230 bucks for
What the
mine.
fuck? How much did you
He
pay?
paid almost 700, right?
$707.
Hey, but mine sounds good, dude.
I'm ready. Wow. It's not rice at all.
It's quieter than I thought.
But at least you can finally hear it. When I tell you guys,
Noise now.
Look.
That noise.
This guy.
What?
you're missing a fucking bolt.
I know.
I know. I like a ticking noise.
Come up with.
Oh, up here.
You got rod knock, dude?
Oh, what the hell is that?
Oh, pop the hood. Finally. Oh yeah, that's tasteful, man. That's tasteful.